This is Lockly Vision. I just installed it. Installation isn't that complicated. It takes about 3 hours. I mean, it's just, there's pieces, especially if you have to make any adjustments to some of your, like your door frame or the hardware, but it's not complicated. You just have to follow all the steps correctly. If you've done it right, it feels solid, and that's important for the front door, the deadbolt for your home. I can open it with a fingerprint, with a code, or with a key. It's not the most attractive smart lock, and it doesn't entirely fit with my decor, but it works pretty darn well. The Lockly Vision gets its name because it has a camera, so it's also a video doorbell. Got the camera up here, you've got the touch screen right here, and you've got the keys down here. One thing that's special about the Lockly Vision is that this touchpad randomizes the code numbers each time, so no one can come up to it and figure out which numbers you've been touching each time. You can assign multiple codes, so a code for each family member. You can also give out temporary codes. You can also do multiple fingerprints. Fingerprint reader is right on the side of the Lockly Vision. That's also where you register your fingerprints, and you can do multiple fingerprints and you name them, and then the app will tell you who is unlocking the door with their fingerprint and when. This isn't just a digital door lock. The Lockly Vision is a smart door lock, so it has a little sensor that you can install on the side, and what that does is it tells the lock when the door is actually closed, and that'll allow it to lock automatically. You just have to make sure that you close the door entirely. Otherwise, the lock can get jammed. I'm able to connect the Lockly Vision to my Amazon Alexa system. You could also do it to your Google Assistant. And basically what this lets you do is control the lock with your voice. Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on.
So it's not super fast, but it works. So what do I think of the Lockly Vision smart door lock? I like it. It's got lots of different ways for me to get into my house. You know, I always hesitated to install a smart door lock because I was afraid of overcomplicating things. Well, this is a little bit more complicated, and my family members are a little upset because they're just used to using the key on the deadbolt we've had forever. But using your fingerprint to get in, or using your voice because you're connecting this to Alexa, or using just the touchpad and entering a simple code, or using a key, gives you a lot of options, and I kind of think a peace of mind. Is the Lockly Vision a little expensive at $399.99? Yeah, it is, but it combines so many different features that you might find it worth it. And of course, you do want to invest wisely for something that is controlling access to your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to rate, review, and subscribe.